Hello and welcome to exercise 65. Practice using one-rail sweeps. In this exercise, you will use one-rail sweeps to make an end table with freeform tapered legs. This exercise requires an auxiliary model which is called table. Along with the instructions, I encourage you to have them open on a second monitor from your Rhino training manual level 1. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to begin with a sweep one rail. So let's go to the surface menu and select sweep one rail. For select rail, click on the leg of the lamp. For select cross-section curves, select both ends of the leg, 1 and 2. And then press enter when done and enter once more. In the Sweep One Rail dialog box, click OK. The table leg is created. Note the nice transition from one cross-section curve to the other. Now, to create the brace, which exists right here. First thing we're going to do is change to the braces layer. So let's move on over to the layer panel and make our braces layer our active layer, like so. Now let's repeat the previous process using the sweep one rail command to create the brace. I'm going to bring up that command by right-clicking in my command bar. There it is. Here's my rail. And these two are my cross-section curves. And then enter twice, and then OK in the Sweep One Rail Options dialog box. Alright, we're moving along nicely. Now, to create the top and finish the table, first we need to change to the top layer. So go ahead and move over to the Layers panel and activate your top layer. Now, from the Surface menu, click Sweep One Rail. Surface, Sweep One Rail. For the rail, select the ellipse. For the cross-section curves, select Shape Curve, which is right here. Gotta zoom in a little bit to find it, and then press Enter. And in the Sweep One Rail Options dialog box, click OK. The surface for the rim of the top is created. Now, select all of the surfaces you created. You can do this with a window select in your perspective viewport. And from the Solid menu, click Cap Planar Holes. Solid, Cap Planar Holes. 6 caps have now been created. All right. Now, select the mirror command to copy and brace the leg to finish the model. And the best way to go about doing this would be to do this in your top viewport. So go ahead and select one of the table legs. And let's activate the command mirror by typing it into the command bar. For the start of mirror plane, I'm going to pick the origin point. And for the end of mirror plane, I'm going to move my cursor to the right in the x-axis. Now that I have 2 table legs, I can easily mirror both of these table legs at the same time using y as the axis. So 1, 2, mirror, enter, and my start of the plane again is going to be the origin point, and my end of mirror plane is going to be straight up in the y-axis. And now you have the table legs complete on your table. Now let's go ahead and repeat the process one more time for the bracing. Mirror. And now that we have both copies, we can mirror them symmetrically on the other side of the origin point, like so. And that concludes exercise 65.